Hi, members. In part one of CNB Selling, we will look at how to market our services to real estate investors. There'll be an emphasis on positioning and selling to our highest advantage. The learning objectives for this lesson are to help you understand the six unique advantages brokers have over bankers, how to position your unique value proposition, and different marketing strategies to build trust and credibility with prospects. Let's get started. Now, let's explore the six key advantages that commercial mortgage brokers have over bankers. As a commercial mortgage broker, your clients expect that you're going to have a network of lenders and a wide variety of products. What they don't know is just how broad and deep that selection of lenders and loan products can be. When you're fully plugged in as a commercial mortgage broker, you'll be able to do bridge loans, fix and flip loans, debt service coverage ratio loans, new construction, rehab, commercial mortgage backed securities, agency loans like SBA, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, and much, much more. Multiple options allow you to find the perfect fit for your client's unique needs. A good positioning phrase to use with a client is it's not about the dozens of loan options, it's about helping you find the right one for your situation. Now, we use software designed specifically for commercial mortgage brokers to help us filter through our many lender options to efficiently identify the best matches for our borrower's specific situation. As an Academy member, you can use us to place your loan if you don't have somewhere you know you can take it. Mastery members will get their own software subscription and a fully vetted lender list as part of their membership. Certainty of execution. This is your one advantage that trumps all others. I'm committed to closing every deal, no matter what. Our clients can rely on us to get the job done. That is your message early and often. Anyone in real estate knows that sometimes stuff happens. Maybe the FICO isn't where we thought, the appraisal came in lower than estimated, or any other unexpected surprises. Mike Tyson famously said that everyone has a plan until they get hit in the mouth. Our commitment, unlike a banker, is not to a product or an institution. We will flip to a different product or lender if that's what it takes to close their deal. This is where having multiple sources allow for a plan B just in case things take an unexpected turn. We understand that time is money in commercial lending. That's why we strive to deliver fast qualifying, approval, processing, and closings. Our streamlined process ensures that our clients' deals move quickly and efficiently. Now, if you don't have a process yet, that's okay. We're going to share ours with you. One of the things that we're going to give you is access to our mobile lending app. With our mobile lending app, you'll be able to qualify a client over the phone, input a few basic points of data, and it'll tell you quickly whether or not their deal qualifies or not. And the faster that we can move, the more they're going to have confidence in what's going to be like if I actually engage with them and go through the loan process. Because look how fast they qualified my deal. You didn't have to get back with them the next day or later on that afternoon. You did it in 5 minutes. All of our members get access to the mobile lending app where they'll be able to do that on multifamily deals, single family deals, commercial deals, all the major food groups that you're going to run into. There's a good quote to use with clients which says, "We move as fast as you do." And what's great about that is it says, communicates two things. One, we move fast. And two, as you do. There's a condition on that. So I can only move, Mr. Client, as fast as you help me. Because if you take a long time to get back with me on paperwork, to follow up on emails, to respond to requests for documentation, you're going to slow down the process. But the quicker you move, the quicker I move, and the faster we can close. The fourth unique advantage you offer is personalized service by providing pre submission advice and taking the time to understand your client's goals and challenges. All members get access to the qualifier checklist to evaluate a deal efficiently and thoroughly. You can see what it looks like right over here. Understanding the nuances of their situation by asking great questions will set you apart from the crowd and demonstrate to them that you will ensure the best possible loan structure. Our fifth advantage is objectivity, our unbiased advice. As trusted advisors, CMBs provide unbiased advice to our clients. We're committed to helping them make informed decisions without any sales pressure. Here's a positioning tip. You can say to a prospect, I'll give you my professional opinion, even if I know you may not like it. People appreciate unvarnished, unbiased advice, and that integrity is a strong selling point. An example, I helped a prospect figure out that the seller's asking price was inflated because after reviewing the operating statement, I determined that the seller was suppressing their expenses to manipulate their net operating income to juice the price. Once I showed the buyer how I caught the error, and when the realtor and the other advisors had not, they were on Team Malcolm forever. Even though they didn't buy that deal, they've used me ever since for all of their lending needs. This sixth and last advantage emphasizes putting your expertise to work for them. This is why they're talking to you, because navigating the complexities of a tough deal is our bread and butter. Always assume if their deal was super easy, they would not be talking to you. Therefore, look for the info they're not telling you. Go after the answer to the question they dodged when you asked it the first time. Now, if you're new and you don't have a lot of experience, then you can say, assuming you're working with us on your deals, my team has closed millions of dollars of loans just like this one. And that would be the truth. One of the things that you'll want to understand when it comes to expertise and doing the hard deal, those are the deals that pay the best, those are the deals that you are needed the most, and they're more likely the deals that you're going to see more often than not. Because if it was easy, they would just go to the bank or the credit union around the corner. Building trust and credibility is essential to the success of any commercial mortgage broker. There's three things you must do: establish authority, objectivity, and a client focused approach. Let me show you how we did it. My firm, Castle Commercial Capital, leveraged four things: live meetups, YouTube videos, our mobile lending app, and my commercial lending book. We actively engage with our community, share our knowledge, and provide valuable resources to our local real estate market. We've hosted over 170 plus events in the last 7 years. All members get access to our Power Networking Playbook, and Mastery members get access to our Meetup Host Manual. And as a little aside, we're going to talk more about this later when we get to lead generation, but I attribute this networking to our number one reason why during COVID we prospered, because we had done so many events over through so many years. Our phone kept ringing. Posting content on YouTube and asking for 5-star reviews on Google and LinkedIn also helps our website SEO, helps us get found more. It all adds up. Becoming a published author on Amazon of Financing the Unbankable Deal has raised my profile. Publishing an app on the Google and Apple app stores has generated user lists of investors. I'm just showing you the things that I've done that are yielding great results for us. We can show you how to do it too when you're ready. The point is, all of these things and the 5-star ratings that we've gotten with them have separated us from the rest of the pack. And that's what building trust and credibility is all about. Let's recap this lesson. Number one, internalize the 6 key advantages that you have as a commercial mortgage broker. Two, building trust and credibility are important to your success, and there are many ways to do it. What's important is that you decide which one makes the most sense for you and you get started.